Microwave meals splatter, splash, and spill, forcing you to clean with harsh chemicals, but you still end up scraping and scrubbing. Don't get angry. Now there's Angry Mama, the fast, easy, and natural way to steam away microwave crud in just minutes.
I love Angry Mama.
That girl cleans everything.
It's easy. Just add vinegar and water to the fill lines. Place Angry Mama in any microwave where she gets steaming mad. Inside, a powerful non-toxic steam blasts every surface to quickly clean, disinfect, and deodorize. We put her to the test. Stubborn pasta sauce? Not with Angry Mama. It wipes off with ease. Stuck on pizza cheese? With her steaming spout, it comes right out. Greasy bacon splatter? Angry Mama knocks it out every time. The secret? The specially designed head that pressurizes and allows concentrated cleaning steam to escape, melting away crud and grime in no time.
It was always a pain to clean in those tough-to-reach corners, but now with Angry Mama, those areas are spotless.
Our office microwave was disgusting, but thanks to Angry Mama, it now looks and smells new.
Stop scrubbing and spraying chemicals. Now get a natural spotless shine in no time with Angry Mama.